If your pup sounds like it's practicing beatboxing, you're not alone. If those tiny hiccups make you giggle, you're a true dog lover. If you think only people hiccup, think again. Dogs get hiccups for the same reason we do, when their diaphragm spasms from eating too fast, getting excited, or even swallowing air while playing. Puppies hiccup more because they eat and play like they're in a race. But don't worry, most doggy hiccups are totally harmless and go away on their own. Fun fact: some vets think hiccups help puppies learn to regulate their breathing. If your dog gets the hiccups, try calming them down with gentle pets or a little water. But if hiccups last more than a few hours, or your dog seems upset, call your vet just to be safe. So next time your dog hiccups, relax. It's usually just one of those silly, cute things dogs do.